Most parents think that if their child can count to 100, they're ready for kindergarten math. But that's actually the wrong skill. In fact, many children who can count to 100 still struggle with math once they start school. Because counting words is not the same thing as understanding numbers. And the truth is, there are 3 math skills every child should develop before kindergarten. And most parents were never taught what they are. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what those skills are and how you can start teaching them at home using simple everyday moments. Section 1. The biggest misunderstanding. The biggest mistake parents make when teaching math is focusing on memorization. Children memorize number songs. They memorize counting. They memorize flashcards. But memorizing numbers does not build something called number sense. Number sense is what allows a child to actually understand quantities. For example, if you show a child 2 crackers and another child 3 crackers, can they tell who has more? That simple idea, more versus less, is actually one of the most important foundations of math. And surprisingly, many children who can count to 100 cannot answer that question confidently. Section 2. Skill number 1. More versus less. The first math skill toddlers need to understand is comparison. More, less, bigger, smaller. This is where real math thinking begins. And the good news is, you can teach this naturally throughout the day. At snack time, you can say, "Who has more crackers?" At the playground, you can ask, "Which tree is bigger?" When picking up toys, you can ask, "Do we have more cars or more blocks?" These little questions build the brain pathways children use later for addition, subtraction, and algebra. Section 3. Skill number 2. One-to-one counting. The second important skill is something called one-to-one correspondence. This means that when a child counts objects, each number matches exactly one object. For example, 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. Each object gets its own number. Many children learn to say numbers quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But they are not actually connecting the number to a real object. Practicing this skill is easy. You can count socks while doing laundry, steps while walking upstairs, or toys while cleaning up the living room. Every object gets a number. That's real counting. Section 4. Skill number 3. Patterns. The third skill that prepares children for math is pattern recognition. Patterns are the beginning of algebra thinking, and toddlers naturally love them. You can play simple pattern games like clap, tap, clap, tap, or line up toys like car, block, car, block. Then ask your child, what comes next? Patterns help children understand prediction and structure, 2 things that are very important for later math success. Section 5. The good news for parents. The good news is, teaching these skills does not require worksheets, it does not require flashcards, and it definitely does not require long study sessions. The best math learning happens through everyday life. Snack time, bath time, toy time, walking through the grocery store. Math is everywhere, once you start noticing it. If you want a simple way to practice these ideas every day, I created a step-by-step system that walks parents through the exact routines I recommend. You can find it in the link below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more simple ways to help your child build real math confidence before kindergarten.